If you've ever lost something, you know just how useful the Find My app can be. Here is some of the best stuff integrated with Apple tracking beyond just the AirTag. Before getting to my list, if you want to keep up to date with the latest Apple news and reviews, hit that subscribe button. So Find My is a native app that is used to track all of your Apple products, from your Apple Pencil to your iPhone itself. It's also the app that is used with the Apple AirTag. But Apple allows other companies to integrate the same Find My tracking capabilities as AirTag into their own products. They share all the same functionality, including the ability to put an item into lost mode, find its current location, play a noise on it, get alerts if you leave it behind, and leverage the larger Find My network of almost all Apple devices worldwide. Here are some of the best devices that have Find My built into them. And we're going way beyond your typical tracking cards. Though those are good too. I've got a whole stack here from Momax, Nomad, Chipolo, Pebblebee, several others. I can definitely give you recommendations if you need some good tracking cards as well. But stay tuned to the end of the video for my favorite of the whole lot, and let me know which of these items is your fave down below in the comments. I also put links in the description if you're interested in picking up any of these devices. So, let's go. It's a pretty common tactic among bike owners to simply mount an AirTag to their bike. I've seen a bunch of different mounts out there that can help you affix this different places, either to the center rail, under the seat, or hiding it somewhere else. But you can also get a bike with Find My built in. I have the VanMoof X3 electric bike, which has full integration into the Find My app, natively. Now, my bike is a few years old at this point. The A5 and S5, the current shipping models, offer this feature too. But there's nothing for anyone to be able to remove. The bike itself is the AirTag. You can see its last known location, mark it lost, and yes, even play a sound on it to help you find it in a bunch of other bikes. Electric bikes are very prevalent in cities, which is also where AirTags work best because there are so many other people around. When other people are around, it can give you more expeditious location updates as more phones are able to ping that data back to you. I just love this idea, and while these are fairly expensive, I think any commuter city bike like this should have Find My built in. Next up is the Reevus water bottle from Journey. The idea is pretty simple, right? You take your water bottle with you. Find My makes sure that you never leave it behind. You can get an alert if you leave the gym or the park without your water bottle. The battery is rechargeable on any Qi or MagSafe charger, which will get you about 3 to 4 months of use. The top of the bottle not only houses the Find My module, but it also lifts up to act as a MagSafe mount for your iPhone. You can use your water bottle as a little portable stand, watch a video, record yourself, or even do a workout class. Really smart. I can also attest it's just a really good water bottle, double insulated for all-day coldness. In a similar vein, we have the Ember Travel Mug 2 Plus. Unlike with a regular Ember coffee cup, the travel version you take with you. If you've ever worked in an office, you've probably taken in a water bottle or coffee mug and forgot it there. Thanks to Find My, Ember will let you know before you leave without it. And if you misplace it, you can track it down. Personally, we've misplaced a lot of travel mugs and water bottles. So this and the Reevus I find really useful. If you haven't played with Ember before, they're really cool. They're app controlled and can heat up whatever you have inside and maintain that temperature. Tea, coffee, hot chocolate, anything like that, put it in there. There's a little charger, you can set it on your desk and just keep it hot for hours. Super cool. Also has Find My. If you're looking to attach an AirTag or Find My device to your keys, maybe even to a backpack, you've got options. There's many I'd recommend, from Chipolo to Spigen to Eufy to Pebblebee, but there's one I think that does it just a bit better. It's the rolling Square AirNotch Pro. It's a keyring with Find My built in. The body of it is aluminum with durable plastic on the front and the back. It's sealed, making it durable, impact-proof, and IP68 water and dust resistance. But it's a little different. It uses two CR2032 batteries, yielding 20 months of battery life, almost double all the other trackers that use a single battery, including Apple's AirTag. It has two outward-facing speakers, one on either side. That way, if this is sitting down in the grass or something, no matter which way it's facing, it's almost guaranteed that one of the speakers will be clear. I think it's the only tracker I know on the market that has like 360-degree sound like that. Lastly here, it glows in the dark. As a Swiss company, they designed it after timepieces that have that luminescence built into the dial. That way it's easy to find if you drop it under a table or you need help finding it in a dark bag or purse. I will totally agree that you can simply choose your favorite backpack and add an AirTag to enable tracking. Just drop it into a pocket. But Hyper has done a great job with its HyperPack Pro. This is a durable, creator-focused backpack that has a non-removable Find My module baked right into the top. If someone lifts it, they won't simply be able to toss the AirTag to the side and continue on. It also features a lot of nice touches for Apple users, from hidden cable routing throughout the whole build for charging, an RFID security pocket, and a padded laptop sleeve that'll hold up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro. I played with this in person most recently at CES, and I feel like it's a very, very nice backpack that is super designed for Apple users. And with Find My tracking built in, that is super clear. It does use a replaceable battery in the top that'll give you almost a year of use before it needs swapped out. For luggage, I'd recommend checking out the Scout tag from Knog. It comes in a bunch of fun colors and connects to your bag with this locking stainless steel security cable. Once attached, you are good to go, and no one can take this off without basically some bolt cutters or the special removal tool. It charges over USB-C, which is great because you can just top it off before your travel. That way, you're good the whole trip. On top of the regular Find My stuff, left behind alerts, playing a sound, lost mode, all of that, it has NFC and a QR code for people to help return your bag to you. And a security mode helps prevent your bag from getting stolen in the first place. You pair this with the accompanying app and turn on security mode. Then it turns this into a giant motion or vibration sensor. If someone moves your bag while it's armed, it will trigger a siren to ward them off. Okay, the PlugBug may be my favorite item on the list. I think the idea was so brilliant, and I'm shocked that no one else had thought of this. Basically, it's a powerful wall charger with Find My tracking built in. There are two versions. There is a 50-watt model and a 120-watt model. The 50-watt has two USB-C ports, while the 120-watt has four. All the ports on both are also equal, so you don't have to worry like which one's a high-speed port and which ones are low-speed. They're all equivalent. It just intelligently charges your devices based on what's plugged in. Just plug your stuff in, you're good to go. If you're traveling abroad, you can opt for the travel version of this. It gives you a carrying case plus various travel adapters on the inside. Super duper handy. But again, I've been in hotel rooms, Airbnbs, and left like chargers plugged into the wall, just dipped out, leaving a charger behind. Especially if you have a fast 120-watt one like this, which is enough to fast charge a MacBook Pro, by the way, you don't want to just leave this thing behind. PlugBug is compact, easily fitting behind furniture, and they use GaN-Tech to keep it extra small and prevent it from getting too hot. These have all the usual left behind alerts, tracking functionality, and lost mode that you'd expect, and what's a nice little bonus of this, if you put it in your backpack, it just doubles as a way to track your backpack. Like, you don't have to have an extra one in there. Like, I just put this in there and I know where my backpack is, like, at all time because I have my PlugBug. They are powered by these replaceable coin cell batteries that will give you about a year of use before they need to be swapped out. Again, it's just so simple. And true story here, like behind the scenes stuff, while I was working on this video, like I'm looking for all of my things here, and I misplaced my 120 watt model and I could not find it. I literally had to use the Find My app to track this thing down. I can't give much of a better endorsement of its utility than that. So let me know, what else would you like to see Find My added to down below in the comments? And if enough of you comment and get views up in this video, I'll do a part 2 with even more cool devices. Otherwise, subscribe for the latest Apple news and reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.